Okay, we're doing this for the content. We're going
Put your hood on, Matthew.
doorbell ditching and all that junk because I need content.
But we're not doing it just for the fun of it. We're delivering candy.
People are watching something on TV. I will resume this when we get to the house. Okay, we are approaching the destination.
Make sure not to show the house number.
I can't really show right here because... Okay, put one on. Put one on. Ethan. Bring it. We have been caught by the man.
We've been caught by the man.
Yes.
Sorry, guys. We're just too smart.
Yeah. Bye.
So,
well,
whose
we
house
got
are we going to next?
I'm not sure. Well, we got caught by that one, so we will record when we get to our next destination. We have approached our next destination.
Just not show the house number. Maybe they'll cover the house number and license plate.
No, it's fine. Okay, we've approached our next destination. Up there. Okay, you ready? Hide it on the... Just put it around there.
But now we'll start barking at us.
No? She's fine. Okay. Currently hiding.
Guys, don't do the stupid. Ouch.
Okay, there. Oh, yeah. And they have... Their kids are asleep. Okay, they left. That one was a success, so I'll continue when we get to our third destination. At our third destination, there's the house. We're gonna hide behind the trees, and it's starting to like snow.
Which doesn't help because we're in shorts.
Looks like he's enjoying it.
Down.
Holy cow, it's freezing out here. Are they even there?
Oh, this is cold. Oh, that was the third house.
Oh, I thought they opened the door. Okay, we'll just leave it there. Let's go. What? Just leave it in there? Okay. Do you have any more suckers? No, I don't. I think we should head back home. Wait. Okay, yeah, let's head back home. What is that? I see something. What is that? What is that? What is that?